Hello everyone and welcome to my Scribus tutorial series. In this video I will show you how to set paragraph spacing and indenting in a document on Scribus. By reading this paragraph, it's not always clear where is the starting point of the paragraph. That's why we should need to use paragraph spacing tool and indenting tool if we encounter this problem. If you want to have left space on each paragraph, go to first line indent and increase it by 0.5 inches to see the left space clearly. If you want to have spacing between the paragraphs, go to space below and increase it by 10 points to see the space below clearly. And that's pretty much of it on the paragraph spacing and indenting in a document on Scribus. If you want to watch another video related, or relevant to this video you're watching right now, I have a playlist for you to watch. Just click right here. It has a list of sequenced video tutorials for you to watch. I recommended to you to watch this video tutorials in a sequence, starting from top to bottom video. If this video found to be helpful or useful, leave a comment below, and also make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Take care.